It drives me crazy when people drive themselves crazy. It should be a fun process.
This is the Carter Cast. How in the world do you buy a diamond engagement ring? Where do you even start?
Do internet research, go to websites, but what you read on the internet is not always a fact. Life lesson from your friend Carter. The internet is not always facts.
How important is it that I know what they like?
Sometimes the couples will come in together, and that happens really more times than not. As I always tell the person buying the ring, your opinion is not unimportant. You're going to see it second most.
True.
You should weigh in. It doesn't mean that your opinion trumps who's going to wear it, but most importantly, I want people to remember why it is that they're there. The reason why somebody walks through our door, at the very core of why they're there, is because they're in love.